How to find deleted friends on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Snapchat on your device. Now if you have deleted your friend recently, simply tap on the add friends icon at the top right corner. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner again. Now simply tap on friend request I have ignored. Now you can find all of your deleted friends on this page. If you don't find them here, simply go back. Now tap on the profile at the top left corner and go to settings at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on my data. Now wait for some time. Now select data available for download. Now select all the options and tap on next. Now select the date range. Again tap on submit. Now wait for some time. Then Snapchat will mail you regarding your download information. Now once you download the file, unzip the file and then you will be able to find the people who removed it. Then you will be able to find the people you deleted on your Snapchat. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.